Welcome back, fellow HR strategists, to the SPHR exam training series by SOAR 360 Solutions. Today we embark on the most critical part of our journey, leadership and strategy, the foundation of strategic HR leadership, and 33% of the SPHR exam. In this domain, HR is no longer just a support function. It is a business driver, a change catalyst, and a trusted advisor to executive leadership. To conquer this domain, you must develop organizational strategies that align HR with long-term business success. Use HR metrics and analytics to drive decision-making and prove HR's impact. Master change management frameworks to lead transformational initiatives. Address global HR considerations that affect multinational workforces and regulatory environments. This is where HR steps into the boardroom, making decisions that shape the future of organizations. Ready to take charge? Let's begin. In the realm of leadership and strategy, every decision is a calculated move, much like a master chess game. To excel in this domain, you must not only anticipate workforce trends but also strategically position HR as a key driver of organizational success. This domain is built on 4 core pillars that will shape your ability to lead with vision, precision, and influence. Let's break them down. Developing organizational strategies, the blueprint for long-term HR success. Aligning HR with corporate goals. HR must not operate in isolation, it must be an integral part of the business strategy. Every HR initiative, from hiring to leadership development, must align with corporate goals. This alignment ensures that people operations directly support revenue growth and profitability. HR should work closely with finance, marketing, and operations to ensure that talent strategies drive business objectives. HR contributes to cost management and operational efficiency. This means ensuring optimal workforce levels, balancing labor costs, and identifying productivity opportunities. HR fosters a culture of adaptability and continuous improvement. A strong learning culture enhances innovation and employee performance, ensuring that the workforce remains competitive and agile. Think of HR as the architect of talent strategy. Just as business leaders map out growth plans, market expansions, and profitability goals, HR must create a roadmap that ensures the organization has the workforce it needs to succeed. Integrating workforce planning into financial forecasting is crucial. Strategic workforce planning isn't just about hiring. It's about forecasting the future talent needs of the organization and ensuring that those needs are met in a financially sustainable way. This involves predicting skills shortages. HR must analyze labor market trends, industry benchmarks, and internal workforce data to anticipate which skills will be in high demand and which roles may become obsolete in the next 3 to 5 years. Ensuring financially viable hiring plans is another key aspect. HR leaders work with finance teams to determine how much investment is needed for talent acquisition and development, how workforce costs impact profit margins, and the trade-offs between hiring externally versus upskilling internally. Balancing workforce supply and demand is also essential. HR must align talent strategy with business projections. This means assessing how many employees need to be hired or reskilled to meet future business demands, what turnover rates need to be mitigated to prevent talent shortages, and what financial risks need to be addressed, such as high labor costs or recruitment inefficiencies. When HR integrates workforce planning into financial forecasting, it ensures that talent strategies are proactive, cost-effective, and future-ready, instead of being reactionary and inefficient. Competitive positioning and talent strategy. The best companies don't just win because of their products, they win because of their people. Strategic HR leaders position their organization's workforce as a competitive advantage, ensuring that top talent is attracted, developed, and retained to outpace competitors. This includes talent branding and employee value proposition. HR must create a compelling work environment that attracts top talent. This means a strong organizational culture that employees want to be part of, competitive compensation and benefits that align with industry benchmarks, and career development opportunities that attract ambitious professionals. Market intelligence and benchmarking. HR must conduct competitive analysis to understand how competitor organizations structure their workforce strategies, what recruitment tactics attract top-tier candidates, and what compensation and benefits packages create retention advantages. Global talent mobility. If a company operates internationally, HR must develop a strategy for talent mobility, including managing remote and hybrid teams effectively, offering global relocation incentives for key talent, and adapting hiring and retention strategies based on local labor laws and cultural expectations. By being proactive in talent positioning, HR ensures that the company is never caught off guard by workforce shortages, disengagement, or recruitment challenges. Long-term vision and sustainability. HR leaders don't just solve today's problems, they build the workforce of tomorrow. This means thinking 5 to 10 years ahead, anticipating market disruptions, industry shifts, and technological advancements that will redefine how businesses operate and how talent is managed. Key areas of focus include adapting to industry disruptions. HR must assess emerging trends like AI, automation, and the gig economy, ensuring the workforce is prepared for new ways of working. Building a culture of continuous learning. The half-life of skills is shrinking, meaning companies must reskill employees faster than ever before. HR must lead upskilling programs to future-proof employees, leadership development programs that prepare mid-level managers for executive roles, and diversity and inclusion initiatives that ensure all employees have equal opportunities to grow. HR's role in environmental, social, and governance. As businesses become more socially and environmentally responsible, HR plays a role in creating sustainable workforce strategies that align with ESG goals, preventing talent and knowledge drain. Without a succession pipeline, companies risk losing expertise when experienced leaders leave. HR must plan for leadership transitions and develop strategies to retain critical knowledge within the organization. By embracing a long-term vision, HR leaders future-proof the workforce, ensuring that employees, leadership, and business operations remain adaptable and competitive in an ever-changing world. In today's data-driven business landscape, HR must move beyond gut instincts and subjective decision-making. Every strategic move should be backed by HR metrics and analytics that measure workforce productivity, predict trends, and prove HR's impact on business performance. To truly become a strategic HR leader, you must understand how to use workforce data to inform hiring, engagement, retention, and leadership decisions. Without data, HR is just an opinion. With data, HR becomes a powerhouse of strategic insight. Let's break down the 4 key ways HR analytics drive business strategy and organizational success. And that concludes our deep dive into leadership and strategy, the most influential domain of the SPHR exam. At SOAR 360 Solutions, we provide the strategic tools, case studies, and real-world applications to help you master executive-level HR leadership. In our next session, we explore workforce planning and talent acquisition, where we uncover the secrets to building and sustaining high-performing teams. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.